I don't think anything, so going back to the original statement, how to grow your career, quit gossiping quit gossiping. And I think it's right. When you're going and you're gossiping, what are you doing? You're eroding team values.
Yeah.
And you're going in and you're saying, hey, look at Joe and Mary, well, what about you? And you think about what is that when you're talking about other people in a negative light, what does that say about you?
Yeah.
Who's talking about you? Or are you really knocking it out of the park to the point where you're allowed to talk smack about other people? Or are you just a mediocre performer trying to look better by talking smack about other people?
Of course. Yeah.
And I think it comes down to nobody ever, making other people look bad doesn't make you better. It just erodes the organization.
Those people become what we call in sports a locker room cancer.
A locker room cancer.
Every company has these locker room cancers. I think back to the organizations I used to work in.
Mm-hmm.
You always had a locker room cancer.
Yeah.
People bad-mouthing other people.
Yep.
I think the opposite side of the same coin is talking about Navy SEALs again, Jocko Willem, extreme ownership.
Yep.
That's the opposite side of the same coin. I mean, you take somebody who is gossiping, whining, complaining. The opposite is somebody who makes a mistake, whatever, and they extremely own what they do. They're accountable.
Yeah.
Those are the companies. Those are the leaders that a company needs. Those are the people.
Mm-hmm.
Extreme ownership.